mwanchi munene mugasomu ya buri tukerigaria Alhamis tariki 7 chimutinyiga 11 mwaka wiga na manga biriga konekigwa no nyama ega yigati ya minyikwa sensi ya America komochoro muske Donald Trump uchiya koba muraigwense iyo nigabange bagenda tukura birengero byabo yoranga boyigwa matemo mane kirasi gi 12 KCSE nigagenda konekigwa abase bikore by'ubunganiria byabiri konekigwa asamutko abangoiga kwarigane ase Ekeonga Chinsa Isano Ibere chabona mugasonkoro kwa Kevin Onkoba kurasi nsemelia yemanyiririo niga kwa Wilson Makuri Wanchiburi Ekeonga Chinsa Isano Ibere ni goto chaka kurwa asensemeli semi kubatkana amona matemwa maneje kirasi gi 12 KCSE ayagen konekigwa ikoboigo ebikore by'ubungeneri byabiri bikonekigwa asamutko abangoiga korengana amone wizare semi nigo babiri bagwesokya nagotemna nerebuya egati ya abobisa bali bakurinda amatemo uchiya kuririre ngene yo ninchiremo ya yubungeneri serikali yabeke otemna nigera chiko maiso ninchiremo yo cyane ebikore
Baruiru tuna distribute mitihani to all the 18 centers. Mitihani inaendelea vizuri na hiyo ni regularity ya mitihani na mwingine bado akapatikana na simu, so singine wanaendelea vizuri bila shida yote.
The exams were being distributed to their centers. We undertook what's called the second phone, but let me be content of the phone, which is we are now analyzing, but we are saying it is a breach which we are investigating. That's carrying clothing devices into the examination room. They will continue the exam as the regulation starts, but those the investigation will continue, and of course, National Examination Council have they will take action also as the police take, because they can even cancel these results depending on whether the integrity of the exam has been compromised.
Mwanchi murenyoranga boigonto genda kunyaka batukubwatia aliyontegenda kwa kingaki ebikore bya aba anamono asensemelia ya abasubati nyaka babo kubura watkana amono magatemo iga KCSE agenda kwa kigwa kwani tukuri na asensemwende kubatkana amono murubiri o university funding model oyogenda kolenta ebirengero ngegati ya ababwatani kurwa asichinsemo bagenda kwesokya ninchiremo yo kwanira igoro yo bututukana uboiga bagenda kwa kigwa abange niko bate abona nerbu ya serikali gochiya kuligiria ngene yo ninchiremo yo kwa kinga abor kigwa babiri bakonyora amasomo aisene
that has been given, so the funds have not been released for these students who are in first and second year. Once this issue is resolved, we don't know which direction it will take. We already paid for them in the first semester. Most of the students had been paid during the first semester. The problem will even money the government was sending. As at this year,